Welcome to our comparison of two popular AI writing tools, Quillbot and Grammarly. Today, we'll help you decide which one fits your writing needs best. Quillbot excels in paraphrasing and summarization, making it ideal for users needing to rewrite or condense content quickly. On the other hand, Grammarly focuses on grammar checking and overall writing enhancement, ensuring your text is polished and professional. Let's compare their user interfaces. Both tools provide accessible layouts, but you might find one more intuitive based on your personal preference. Who benefits most from these tools? Quillbot is great for students and writers looking to rephrase, while Grammarly suits professionals aiming for flawless writing. When it comes to pricing, both tools offer free versions with essential features. However, their premium plans unlock advanced functionalities. Choosing the right tool also depends on use cases. Opt for Quillbot when you need quick rephrasing and Grammarly when thorough proofreading is required. Both services are speedy and accurate, but the choice may vary based on the complexity of the tasks you're working on. Hear from real users. Feedback highlights the strengths and weaknesses of both Quillbot and Grammarly, aiding in your decision. In conclusion, the best tool for you depends on your writing needs. Quillbot is excellent for paraphrasing, while Grammarly shines in proofreading.